Now I'm gonna try to insult the agent just to see what's gonna happen. And now I'm gonna try to get a human to respond. What if I told you you could build a fully functional customer support bot on Telegram without writing a single line of code? I'm going to do it right now. One message to Charlie, and she handles everything. The research, the knowledge base, the deployments. I'm going to tell Charlie exactly what I want. Create a Telegram support bot for CloudStation. It should know everything about the platform. Use the official website, the documentation, all of it. And I'll give her the bot token once I create it. And for escalation, she already has my Telegram chat ID from a previous conversation, so she has it in her memory. Let's go. Create for me a Telegram support bot. It should know everything about CloudStation. Use the official website, cloud-station.io, and the documentation from docs.cloud-station.io. I will give you the bot token once I create it from the bot folder. And as an escalation contact, use my Telegram chat that you have from memory. The bot is gonna be a customer support bot for CloudStation. She got it. She confirms the plan. A Telegram bot that answers customers' questions about CloudStation, learns from the doc, and forwards to me when it can't help. I don't know how to create a bot in Telegram. Can you walk me through it? Now I need to create the actual bot on Telegram. I don't know how to do it, or I'll pretend that I don't know how to do it. So I just asked Charlie. She walks me through it step by step. Open Telegram, find the bot folder, send /new bots, pick a name, and get the token. I share the token with her, and she gets to work immediately. She creates a research agent. This one runs on Opus with 1 million token context and starts scraping the entire CloudStation websites and documentation. Every page, every section. If I want to see what the other agents are doing, I can either toggle show messages, and now I can see this specific agent's messages, or I can see all just by clicking on show all. So as you can see here, the agent is doing research from all the pages from CloudStation. This takes a few minutes, so I'll fast forward. Alright, and the agent has finished the job. It created a full documentation file that has literally everything from the documentation, the website, everything. We can go back to checking on Charlie and seeing what she's going to be doing. Alright, so we have 27 sections covering everything from pricing to deployments, etc. She then deleted the agent, and then she's now created the agent that's gonna make this knowledge base into a skill that then the next agent is gonna be using to answer customers' questions. And again, we can toggle to see everything that's happening. So the CloudStation skill creator is reading through the documentation, and once it's gonna be done, it's gonna create a skill out of it. Alright, so the CloudStation skill creator has finished. We have now the skill available. Let's check on Charlie and see what she's doing. So she's gonna create the bot persona that's gonna be using the skill, so basically the agent. And we can see here the new agent has been created. There is the CloudStation support bot with the purpose. So a CloudStation customer support agent on Telegram. Your job is to help customers with questions about CloudStation, answering blah 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 blah. And there it is. We have the agent that is created. And if I go to the agents folder, I will find it in, here it is, CloudStation supports. And we have the purpose like we saw earlier, and the skill, the CloudStation support knowledge. And if I go back here, I can see here that we are on to the next step, which is now creating the actual bot that's going to be inside of Telegram. So I still don't have to touch anything. Everything is done by Charlie. I'm just watching, and I don't even have to stay and watch. I can completely walk away and leave it and ask her later on Telegram or on WhatsApp if it's done. So we can see here that the Cloud Station support bot has been created here. So now there is the Cloud Station bot runner that's working. The bot runner is finishing up the setup, connecting everything to Telegram, setting up the webhook. It's almost there. All right, so apparently the bot is running. All I need to do is go ahead and test it. We can see here that the indication that it's typing. And there we go. Hi, Omnia, welcome to Cloud Station. I'm here to help you. So note that the first message is wrong. I'm gonna ask Charlie to fix it, but for now I'm just gonna test. Now let me ask it a real question. What is Cloud Station? And look at that. A detailed, accurate answer straight from the knowledge base. And by the way, all those messages are actually logged in here. I'm gonna show you. So I know that all of this is correct because I know what's in the knowledge base, but let's ask about the pricing. And now I'm gonna try to insult the agent just to see what's gonna happen. And now I'm gonna try to get a human to respond. Right, now I'm gonna show you where all of this is happening. So if I just read out the page here, we can see here that there's a new conversation from this project, and this one is the Telegram conversation, and we can see here everything that's happening. So I'm just gonna tell Charlie that I wanted to change the message from the first command. All right, and right away, Charlie is going to get an agent to work on it. She found the generic message in the boilerplate, and now she's gonna create another agent to fix it. And this time she's using sonnets because it's just a simple fix. And you can toggle here to see all the messages. So the full code is available. You can download it if you want, or push it to GitHub, which I'm gonna go for. And it's done. Now let's go back and test in Telegram still. So I'm just gonna do the start command. And now we have the correct message. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna just tell her that I'm satisfied. It's all good. Let's deploy it. Or what now? All right. So I want Cloud Station Charlie to deploy the bot on Cloud Station, so it can be running 24/7. So as you can see here, Charlie is asking me to go to the profile setting and create an API and key, and give it to her. Can I put them myself? I don't trust you. Okay, so I'll say deploy it. Right, I'll add them. All right, so she's gonna stop the local one because Telegram doesn't allow having two bots using the same token, and she's gonna deploy it. So we have a new Opus agent running to deploy. So she's now gonna push the code to GitHub, and because I'm already connected from the integrations, I'm already connected to GitHub, as you can see. So it's creating a new Cloud Station support bot for me and making it private, of course. All right, the code is pushed. I should be able to see it on GitHub as well, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna wait for Charlie to deploy it anyways. And you can see here that it's deploying. And yeah, if you can see here. And now in the variables, I need to be changing the API key. So I have the placeholder here and the client ID, which is also a placeholder. So Charlie earlier told me to go to the profile and then API keys. I'm gonna generate a new ones. Just gonna name it here. CS Telegram. And I'm gonna copy the API key and the client ID. And I'm gonna come back here, starting with the client ID. I'm gonna change it here. All right, we have the bot now ready. We can check the logs. You can see here that it's running, but the agent is still working, so not gonna test yet. All right, so everything is running, but Charlie is going to validate that everything is working by creating another agent to validate everything. Okay, the final checkbox did validate everything is running. Now I'm gonna be able to test my final agent. Let's start with the start command. Okay, it didn't work. I swapped the API key and the client ID. That's on me, not Charlie. It's an easy fix. So she did ask me to add my API key and client ID, which I did in advance. I didn't wait for her to tell me that. All right, let's try again. So I have the API key and then... All right, I just need to redeploy. Quick redeploy, it takes about 30 seconds. The container restarts with the correct credentials and we should be good. And now it's running. Let's check again. And it works, but this time my bot is running all the time. Can I deploy N10, for example? And you can see here that we can deploy N10. And if I go to my chats, I can see everything that I've been saying to the Telegram agent here. One message, that is all it took. Charlie researched the doc, built the knowledge base, created the bot, deployed it, and now it's running 24/7 on Telegram, answering real customer questions. But you don't have to take my word for it. The bot I just built in this video is live right now. You'll find the link in the description below. Go ahead and test it yourself. Ask it questions about the platform, the pricing, deployment, creating agents, all of it. This is one use case. I'm going to be doing more of these. Slack bots, WhatsApp agents, automated workflows, connecting to external tools, video generation, all of that through Charlie. Every video will be a new use case built from scratch. Subscribe if you want to follow along. And if you have a specific use case you want to see, drop it in the comments. I can build it live in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.